Hope that this will help give you a little bit more information about the 4Ps project. So this is your final project that you have for the semester. So for this week, for your discussion, you're supposed to come up with 3 new product ideas that you're thinking of using for your 4Ps project, and I'll talk about that a little bit more. So you're just sort of brainstorming at this point. So don't get too upset if you are completely brain dead right now. So if you click on the 4Ps project, if you haven't already looked over the assignment itself, hopefully you have. So basically what you're going to do is come up with a new idea. So for the discussion, you're coming up with 3 ideas to brainstorm, and then you'll get some feedback on those ideas. But you'll eventually just focus on one idea. And so for this project, you'll come up with this new product idea, and based on our discussion last week of product line and brand extensions, this should be an existing brand that you're going to come up with a new idea for a product, and it can be either to their existing product line or a brand extension. So the example I used was, let's say you came up with this idea for marshmallow M&Ms. So that would be a new product within the existing M&M's candy product line. Or let's say you come up with an idea for M&M's brand coffee. That would be a brand extension. This is a completely new product area for the brand M&M's. So that's what you're going to do. So for the discussion this week, just come up with 3 ideas, and then you can see in the assignments area under the 4Ps project, go into a lot more information about what's required for the assignment itself. I do want to mention that part of the assignment requires you to have a cause marketing component. So going back to the M&M's example, your cause marketing could be that you are going to partner with, the Feed America, and 10% of the sales of the marshmallow flavored M&Ms will go to Feed America. Or if it's with the coffee, maybe you're going to donate 10% of the price of the sales, or 10% of the profits of the sales of the coffee will go toward the Migratory Bird Foundation to study the effect of growing coffee on migratory birds. So those are just 2 examples, but we talked about cause marketing at the beginning of the course, so you may need to go back and take a look at that, and I also included another good reference for cause marketing. So you should have a cause marketing component as part of your 4Ps project. And then use at least 5 relevant references, so that, and I really emphasize, no blogs, no online encyclopedias, no slide share. It needs to come from trade publications, peer-reviewed journal articles, industry publications. This is all references that you would get through the library. You're not necessarily going to find this information just by Googling it. And Forbes does not count. Forbes may be a good reference, but whenever you Google something, Forbes is going to be one of the first things that comes up, and that's not really what I'm looking for. And make sure that if you cite the name of the company or the company's website or the textbook, go ahead and count that and cite it correctly, but it will not count toward your references. So just wanted to make sure that you're aware of where all this information is, and just you can find it under the assignments, the 4Ps project, and it's related to your discussion as well. So that's it. Have a great week, everyone.